Hello and welcome to another travel adventure with Sam, and today I'm at the Goodwood Community Centre and I'm going to be showing you the Bonsai show, which is inside this building. We've just got to go inside the building now and wave to the lovely people at the counter. Hello, these lovely people are from the South Australian Bonsai Society, and we're going to go in there and have a look at a few nice bonsai. So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Here we go, and look at this. It's amazing. Beautiful bonsai trees. Wow. See if I can get a better shot for you. There you are. Really lovely looking works of art, really. There's quite a few people here today, and they're all checking out the beautiful works of art that are on the table. Check this out. Lovely. Wow, look at this. A lot of time and effort have gone to make these look as sensational as they do look. Wow. Go over here now. There's quite a few people, which is great to see. Ikebana International, Adelaide chapter, number 61. So obviously they're in here showing off their plants as well. This gentleman here is doing a bit of work on his bonsai. Look at that, a master at work. There you go. G'day mate, I'm just filming you for Travel Adventures with Sam. A master at work. Be careful what you say, this is on YouTube. Oh, you're doing well, look at that. Just trimming it up, yeah? Well, you're doing a great job. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Wow. There's some really amazing looking plants here. So many different styles. It's incredible. Let's see if I can get a picture of this one here, because this one here is actually quite nice. I'll try not to get the people in there if I can help it. There you are. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so we'll continue, we'll continue on this other side. We've got some more plants, as you can see. Sorry, mate. That's all right, thank you. Sorry guys, I'm just going to get in front of you, so if that's okay. I'm doing a YouTube video.
Okay.
All right, so there you go. When you say that, people move out the way. Thank you so much. This is back to the stage here. Here we are. Wow. They got so many different styles of bonsai. I didn't know there was so many different styles. Here we go. Let's just see this one here as well. Sorry. Just move out your way. There's a lot of people in here trying to look at the plants, and I'm walking past filming. But they've been very lovely and letting me get on with the filming, which is great. Wow, this is a nice one. That's really nice. There you go. I'll get onto this one as well. I mean, I just didn't know that there was so many different styles of bonsai. It's amazing. Look at this. So we're just going to go and have a look at these last few, then we'll go into the area where they're actually selling the bonsai plants. And don't worry, you weren't in there. Some people like to be on YouTube and some people don't, but that's okay. So in this area here, you can actually purchase bonsai plants, and as you can see, it's quite busy. They've got a gentleman over there making some coffee. And wow, you can see that it's really buzzing in here. So people are shopping for their bonsai plants. Wow, look at that. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Look at that. Some really great plants, as you can see. People are looking around and finding what style of plant they prefer, and yeah, they can buy them. So I'm going to just go around a little bit more. Try not to get in people's way. You got a nice little plant there. Lovely. Thank you. Beautiful. They've got a little area here. Oh, another row of plants, as you can see. This is a competition area. So this is a novice competition. So they'll obviously be judging these plants and awarding a prize. Look at that. Oh, this one's quite nice too. And that one right there. Okay. Wow, this is incredible. I really like this. I'm glad I came here today, so we can actually see some nice bonsai plants. Well, I'll do one more lap of the hall, and then we might call it a day. But as you can see, there's so many styles, so many varieties. It's just incredible. Incredible. Look at that. So I might just go outside and talk to the lovely people outside before we sign off. So that was really great, guys. And so you guys are from the South Australian Bonsai Society. When was that started? Uh-oh. Does anyone know? It's been around a long time, yeah? Well, this is incredible. You've got some competitions out there as well, which means that people are going to get awarded prizes, I imagine. Yeah, and it looks like you're very popular as well, so they've got a lot of people in there. So thank you so much. This is Travel Adventures with Sam on YouTube, so please have a look at it. And I'm just going to go and do a sign-off now, and I appreciate the time. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Well, that was another little video from Travel Adventures with Sam. I had a really lovely time in there, meeting the people and having a look at the bonsai plants that they've been working on. I hope you liked this video too. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Please feel free to join my YouTube channel. It's free to do, and it helps my channel to grow. So, look, I love coming to these places. You know, you've got bonsai shows, you've got all these other things that I'd like to explore and show you on my channel. So, until next time, happy travels.